Guess where we are today? Yep, that in front of me, it's a sign that says UN buffer zone, no entry. And yes, that's the UN buffer zone, the United Nations buffer zone that splits the Republic of Cyprus, which is the Greek part, and the Northern Republic of Cyprus, that is the Turkish part. And this United Nations zone was established in 1964 and then was extended also in 1974 following the Turkish invasion on Cyprus. So that is a buffer zone that stretches along the whole coast. So this is where it starts on the east coast and it ends somewhere above Paphos, north of Paphos, and it is long 180 kilometers. And there are also some settlements within the United Nations, very few cities that are actually cities that are inhabited by both Greeks and Turks. And that is the fun fact for today's beach adventure. The first one for today, it is 10 a.m. 29 degrees Celsius, 2nd of September, and day 6 of my Cyprus vacation. So I'm starting the day off very adventurous on this beach next to the UN buffer zone. There is actually a sandy beach not so far away from here, Paralimni, that I'm going to show you later. And from Paralimni up to the buffer zone, there were some establishments from the like temporary shelters, I think, that the local people use here to chill at the beach. And this one here, it looks very inviting. Look at the water. Now that's probably the best UN buffer zone. I mean, the view. And yes, the UN buffer zone is a demilitarized zone. And as I mentioned, it is controlled by the United Nations Peace Corps. All right, this looks very, very good. Let's go in slowly into the water. Good. And yes, this secluded wild beach over here is located just 6 kilometers away from Protaras. So for me it took around 1 hour 15 minutes to reach this spot by a nice morning walk. And yes, so that's the UN buffer zone, and on the other side is the Northern Republic of Cyprus. That's actually the Northern Republic of Cyprus is only recognized by one country in the world, and that's Turkey. And yes, I think we had enough chit chat for today. Let's enjoy this crystal clear water over here in this marvelous setting. However, with the warning sign that it's a new UN buffer zone, no entry, or in Greek, Nekri zoni, apagorevete I isodos. Yes, I know some Greek. I know how to read Greek. I can understand Greek. I'm not so good at the conversations, but I was learning 4 years of Greek language outside of school when I was younger. And now I think I need to, if I catch it up and learn for like 1 or 2 years, or actually live in Cyprus or Greece, I would be a master of it, believe me. All right, beach day number 6 here in Cyprus. First beach of the day. Let's go! Wow, it was definitely a great idea to come here, because this one here is not shown on the map, and it is actually based on the map in the buffer zone, because as I read the map, I'm currently in the buffer zone, but I guess it officially starts over there along the coast. And amazing, beautiful. All right, that was the first episode for today on my day 6 from the UN buffer zone here in Paralimni, Cyprus. And thanks for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!